Hello everyone, welcome to another Wix tutorial. Now in this tutorial I will show you how to create a navigation menu on your Wix website. So all you have to do is, as you can see, we're here on Wix. You have to go to add elements, and obviously you have to go to menu and anchor and then themed menus. You will have theme menus, you'll have horizontal menus. You can do whatever you want, right? And then you can click on the menu. As you can see, this is my menu right here. What I can do is I can put it here, I can attach it to the header, and I can go to settings, right? And I can, so as you can see, create in a unique menu, reorganize items, add new links, set as advanced, right? And then here we can add menu items. We can add new menu items, right? Now if we want to change the design, we can go here and then we can change the design, right? We can customize the design. Background fills, if we want background to be filled this. If we want, we can go here to the borders, corners, shadows. We can also go to customize design again. Yeah, I think you can also change here the font, right? But let's keep it like this. So let's keep it like this. For example, like this, yeah. Then you can see gradient, image as well. Then you can set the corners if you want, rounded, shadows, layout, everything. Then once you're done with that, you can go here and stretch it full width, right? Margins, if you have margins, you can do that, but it's full width, so you don't have to do it. And then you can click manage menu and you can yeah, pretty much change the menu, add menu items, stuff like that, navigate, again, where you're going, right? And then you can also go here to see how your menu will look like. Horizontal spacing, right? You can change that. Vertical spacing, you can change that. Align text if you want to align it. Display items, horizontal padding, all that good stuff, right? Sub menu, you can create a sub menu if you want. Animation if you want, as you can see. Yeah, stretched. Basically that's it, right? If you have any questions, maybe comment down below, and we'll see you in the next Wix tutorial. Thank you guys for watching.